Start. In Python, there is many types of operators. In this course, we will see three types of operators: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators. Let's talk about arithmetic operators in details. Let's see this example. Here, let's see the operators of arithmetic operators. First, the addition. This will add a value to another value, like if A holds 10 and B holds 20. If we add A to B, this will give us a subtraction. This will subtract the right hand operators from the left hand operators. The multiplication, this will multiply the values of the two sides, like A multiple B. The division, this will divide left hand operand by the right hand operand, like this B division A. Okay, this will give us 2. And this is module. This will divide left hand operand by right hand operand and return remainder. This will give us the remainder of the operation B module A. Exponent. This performs exponential or power calculations on operators like A power LB. Floor division. This division of operators of operands where the result is quotient in which the digits after the decimal point are removed. This will remove the digits after the decimal point, like this. This equal. This is equal to 4, but this is equal to 4.0. This is an integer and this is an float. Let's try this in our Python shell. If we set here A equal to 10, B equal to 20, if I set A plus B, this will give us 30. I see B minus A, this will give us 10. I set A multiple B, this will give us 200. I set B division A, this will give us 2.0. Okay. And here, if I set B module A, this will give us 0 because B. If I set here X, let's try another example of module. X equal to 9 and Y equal to 4. If I set X module Y, this will give us 1 because X, this 9, contains 2 4s and the remainder is 1. This is what we mean by module, the remainder. Okay, the exponent, if I said here A exponent B, sorry, we do not have to keep a space here. A exponent B will give us this number. Okay, and the floor division, if I said B divide A, this will give us 2.0. If I said B to module to division A, this will give us 2. This is 2.0. This will give us the float number. Like if I said the X, the value of the X was 9 and the value of Y is 4. If I said here X division Y, this will give us 2.25. okay, and if I said here X floor division Y, this will give us only 2. And division, the decimal numbers, the decimal digits after point will be a B, and floor division, the decimal point after the the decimal digits after this point will not be appear like this. Okay. In the next video, we will talk about comparison operators and details. Hope you like this video. Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about comparison operators and details in Python. Let's start. The first operator here is equal. This operator check if the value of two brands is equal or not. If yes, then the condition becomes true. Like this, A equal B. This won't give it us true because A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. Okay. Not equal, check if the value of two brands is equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition becomes true, like this. If A not equal B, this will give us true because A not equal B. This operator here check if the value of two brands is equal or not. If values are not equal, then condition becomes true. This like not equal. These two operators are the same. This operator here check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. If I said here A bigger than or greater than B, this won't true because B is 20 and this is bigger than 10. And this operator here check if the value of the left operand is less than the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true, like this. A smaller than or less than B, this is true. Okay. This operator right here check if the value of left operand is greater than or equal. Only the same the only difference is or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. If I said here A is greater than or equal B, this will give us false because there is no equality between A and B. And here this operator check if the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition becomes true. Let's try this in our Python shell. I said here A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. And I said here A equal B. This will give us false because the value of A not the value of B. Okay. And if I said A not equal B, this will give us true because A not equal B. And if I said A not equal B, here Python does not know this operator. Maybe this operator is in Python 2, not on Python 3. Let's try another one. If I said A bigger than or greater than B, this will give us false because A was 10 and B was 20. And if I said here A is less than or smaller than B, this will give us true. Okay. And if I said A greater than or equal B, sorry about this space here, this will give us false. And if I said A is less than or equal B, this will give us true because the value of A is 10 and the value of B is 20. Okay. In the next video, we will talk about a sum